Here's a short video showing my double wheel grinder. I don't use my double wheel grinder a lot anymore. As a matter of fact, I do most of my grinding on the single wheel grinder, but people are always curious and asking me about it. Here's a piece of '01 precision ground. I have the center line marked, and I'm using 6-inch wheels with 50 grit belts. The grinder will fit 4-inch wheels, 6-inch wheels, or 8-inch wheels on it. Right now I have the wheels set about 40 thousandths of an inch apart, and I'm doing the rough grinding, the pre-heat treat grinding. The blade's a 1/4 inch thick, about 1 inch wide. And the video is basically in real time, other than I pause the camera when I quench the razor and when I stop to look at it. There I am. I had to adjust the tracking a little bit. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.